Hi everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today I want to show you something really cool. These are the Viaim RecDot all earbuds. They are not just normal earbuds for music. They can record calls, translate in real time and much more. Let's take a closer look. The design is very modern. The earbuds are small, light, and comfortable to wear for a long time. The charging case is compact, look, easy to carry, and has a nice finish. Inside, get two earbuds with a LED indicators. It feels premium and simple to use. Now, let's talk about the special features. First, call record. With these earbuds, you can record your calls and audio with just one tap. Perfect for interviews, meetings, or even personal notes. Doesn't matter. Second, real-time translation. You can speak in your language and the text appears translate instantly on the app. This is super useful when you travel or talk with people in different languages.
Eu gostaria de marcar uma reunião para amanhã, às 11 horas da manhã.
I'd like to schedule a meeting for tomorrow at 11 a.m.
Eu gostaria de ver o melhor lugar para que essa reunião aconteça.
I would like to see the best place for this meeting to take place.
Você está disponível?
Are you available?
It's amazing, it's perfect. Third, flash record. Even if your phone is not connected, you can save recording directly into the earbuds memory. Perfect, so another big feature is deep noise cancellation. It reduces noise up to 48 decibels, so you can enjoy clear sound even in noise places. And of course, 4 microphones. This means your voice is always clear during calls or record. Finally, dual connection. You can switch between devices easily. Very easily. For example, from your phone to your laptop without any problem. Very fast connection. The charging case has a 550 milliamp battery, which gives you many hours of use. You can charge it wired or wireless, which makes it very practical. A full charge is enough for your daily routine. These earbuds are not only for music, they are like a smart assistant in your ears. Perfect for students, business people, travelers, or anyone who wants technology to make life easier. So, that's the Viaim RecDot earbuds. If you want earbuds that do more than play music, that can record, translate, and keep your voice crystal clear, this is the great option. I'll leave the link below if you want to check it out. Thanks for watching and see you in the next video.